Section 1. Introduction to Apple Intelligence. Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference, or WWDC, in 2024 was nothing short of spectacular. The company unveiled its latest innovation, Apple Intelligence. This revolutionary technology promises to transform how users interact with their devices. With AI integration across iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia, Apple is taking a bold step into the future. Apple Intelligence is not just about smarter devices. It's about creating a more cohesive and intuitive ecosystem. The integration of AI aims to enhance user experience by making everyday tasks simpler and more efficient. From personalized recommendations to advanced photo editing, Apple Intelligence is set to redefine technology. The announcement has already generated much buzz. Enthusiasts and critics alike are eager to see how this innovation will impact the tech landscape. As we dive deeper into the features of Apple Intelligence, it's clear that Apple is once again setting the bar high. Section 2. Overview of iOS 18. iOS 18 is a game changer. It brings Apple Intelligence to iPhones, providing users with a host of new features. The update focuses on enhancing daily usability with smarter, AI-driven functionalities. One of the standout features is the revamped Siri, which now offers more intuitive and context-aware assistance. With iOS 18, users can expect seamless integration of personalized recommendations. This means your iPhone will now suggest apps, shortcuts, and even content based on your usage patterns. This level of customization is designed to make your device truly yours. Another significant update is in the realm of privacy. Apple Intelligence ensures that all AI processes are handled on-device, safeguarding user data. This approach aligns with Apple's commitment to user privacy, providing peace of mind in an increasingly digital world. The user interface has also received a facelift. With smoother animations and a more intuitive layout, navigating iOS 18 feels refreshingly new, yet comfortably familiar. Apple has managed to strike a balance between innovation and usability. Section 3. Enhancements in iPadOS 18. iPadOS 18 introduces Apple Intelligence to the iPad, making it an even more powerful tool for both productivity and creativity. One of the key upgrades is the enhanced multitasking capabilities, allowing users to work more efficiently with multiple apps open simultaneously. The integration of Apple Intelligence brings a new dimension to the iPad experience. Personalized recommendations are more accurate than ever, helping users find the right apps and content at the right time. This feature is particularly useful for professionals who rely on their iPads for work. Advanced photo editing tools have also been introduced, giving users the ability to make professional quality adjustments effortlessly. These tools leverage AI to enhance photos, making it easier to achieve stunning results without extensive editing knowledge. Privacy remains a top priority with iPadOS 18. Like its iOS counterpart, all AI-driven processes are performed on device, ensuring that user data remains secure. This commitment to privacy, combined with the enhanced functionalities, makes iPadOS 18 a must-have update for all iPad users. Section 4. macOS Sequoia unveiled. macOS Sequoia is the latest addition to Apple's desktop operating systems, and it comes packed with Apple Intelligence. This new OS promises to enhance productivity and creativity through its intelligent features. One of the most notable improvements is the integration of enhanced Siri, which provides more context-aware assistance. Apple Intelligence in macOS Sequoia also brings personalized recommendations to the desktop. This means your Mac will now suggest files, applications, and even workflows based on your usage patterns. This feature aims to streamline your daily tasks and improve efficiency. Advanced photo editing tools are also a highlight of macOS Sequoia. These tools use AI to make complex edits simple, allowing users to enhance their photos with just a few clicks. This is a significant boon for creative professionals who rely on their Macs for photo editing. Privacy is a cornerstone of macOS Sequoia. All AI-driven processes are handled on device, ensuring that user data is protected at all times. This approach not only safeguards privacy, but also ensures that the AI features are fast and responsive. Section 5. Enhanced Siri. A new era. Siri has come a long way since its inception, and with Apple Intelligence, it has entered a new era. Enhanced Siri is now smarter, more responsive, and capable of understanding context like never before. This makes interactions with Siri feel more natural and intuitive. One of the most impressive features of Enhanced Siri is its ability to provide personalized assistance. Siri can now anticipate your needs based on your usage patterns and preferences. This means you can get more relevant suggestions and faster responses to your queries. Enhanced Siri also integrates seamlessly with other AI features across iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia. Whether you're on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, Siri is always ready to assist with context-aware functionalities. This level of integration sets a new standard for virtual assistants. Privacy is also a key aspect of enhanced Siri. All voice processing is done on-device, ensuring that your conversations with Siri remain private. This approach not only protects user data, but also improves the speed and accuracy of Siri's responses. Section 6. Personalized recommendations, tailor-made for you. Personalized recommendations are a cornerstone of Apple Intelligence. This feature leverages AI to understand your preferences and usage patterns, providing you with suggestions that are tailor-made for you. Whether it's apps, content, or workflows, personalized recommendations make your device truly yours. In iOS 18, personalized recommendations are integrated into various aspects of the operating system. Your iPhone will suggest apps and shortcuts based on your regular activities, making it easier to access what you need. This level of customization enhances the overall user experience. iPadOS 18 takes personalized recommendations a step further. The iPad can now suggest content and apps that are relevant to your current tasks, helping you stay productive and focused. This feature is particularly useful for professionals who use their iPads for work. macOS Sequoia also benefits from personalized recommendations. The desktop OS will suggest files, applications, and workflows based on your usage patterns. This not only streamlines your daily tasks, but also helps you discover new tools and features that can boost your productivity. Section 7. Advanced Photo Editing Creativity Unleashed. Apple Intelligence brings advanced photo editing tools to iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia. These tools leverage AI to make complex editing tasks simple and accessible, allowing users to unleash their creativity without needing extensive knowledge of photo editing. In iOS 18, the Photos app now includes powerful editing features powered by Apple Intelligence. These tools can automatically enhance your photos, adjust lighting and colors, and even remove unwanted objects. This makes it easy to achieve professional quality results with minimal effort. iPadOS 18 also benefits from these advanced photo editing tools. The larger screen of the iPad makes it an ideal device for editing photos, and the new AI-driven features make it easier than ever to create stunning images. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, these tools will enhance your workflow. macOS Sequoia takes photo editing to the next level with even more powerful tools. The desktop environment allows for more detailed and precise edits, making it a favorite among creative professionals. With Apple Intelligence, these tools are now smarter and more intuitive, allowing for faster and more efficient editing. Privacy has always been a key focus for Apple, and with the introduction of Apple Intelligence, this commitment is stronger than ever. All AI-driven processes are handled on-device, ensuring that user data remains secure and private. This approach not only protects user information, but also enhances the performance of AI features. In iOS 18, privacy features are deeply integrated into the operating system. Apple Intelligence processes data locally, meaning that your interactions with Siri, personalized recommendations, and photo edits are all handled on your device. This ensures that your data is never sent to external servers, providing peace of mind. iPadOS 18 follows the same privacy principles. All AI-driven functionalities are performed on-device, safeguarding user data. This approach aligns with Apple's broader commitment to privacy and security, ensuring that users can enjoy the benefits of Apple Intelligence without compromising their personal information. macOS Sequoia also emphasizes privacy. The desktop OS handles all AI processes locally, ensuring that user data is protected at all times. This not only enhances security, but also improves the responsiveness of AI features, providing a seamless user experience. One of the standout features of Apple Intelligence is its ability to provide a seamless user experience across iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia. This level of integration ensures that users can transition between devices effortlessly, with their data and preferences always in sync. In iOS 18, Apple Intelligence ensures that your iPhone works seamlessly with your other Apple devices. Personalized recommendations, enhanced Siri, and advanced photo editing tools are all designed to provide a consistent experience, no matter which device you're using. This makes it easier to stay productive and connected. iPadOS 18 takes this integration even further. The iPad now works more closely with your iPhone and Mac, allowing for a more cohesive experience. Whether you're working on a project, editing photos, or just browsing the web, the transition between devices is smooth and intuitive. macOS Sequoia also benefits from this seamless integration. The desktop OS is designed to work in harmony with iOS 18 and iPadOS 18, providing a unified experience across all your Apple devices. This level of cohesion not only enhances productivity but also makes using multiple devices more enjoyable. Developers play a crucial role in the success of Apple Intelligence. At WWDC 2024, Apple provided a comprehensive overview of the new tools and APIs available for developers to leverage AI in their apps. This opens up a world of possibilities for creating smarter, more intuitive applications. One of the key highlights for developers is the enhanced Siri Kit. This allows developers to integrate Siri's advanced capabilities into their apps, providing users with more context-aware assistance. By leveraging Siri Kit, developers can create more engaging and responsive applications. Another exciting development is the introduction of new machine learning APIs. These APIs enable developers to harness the power of Apple Intelligence to create innovative features within their apps. This not only enhances the functionality of existing apps, but also paves the way for new and unique applications. Apple also emphasized the importance of privacy in app development. With Apple Intelligence, developers are encouraged to process data on device, ensuring that user information remains secure. This approach aligns with Apple's broader commitment to privacy and sets a new standard for app development. The initial reactions to Apple Intelligence have been overwhelmingly positive. Users across the globe have praised the new features and enhancements in iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia. Many have highlighted the improved usability and the seamless integration of AI-driven functionalities. One of the most commonly praised features is the enhanced Siri. Users appreciate the more natural and intuitive interactions, as well as the context-aware assistance. This has made Siri a more valuable tool for everyday tasks, from setting reminders to finding information quickly. Personalized recommendations have also received high marks from users. The ability to get relevant suggestions based on usage patterns has been described as a game changer. This feature has made devices feel more personalized and has improved overall user satisfaction. Advanced photo editing tools have also been met with enthusiasm. Users have enjoyed the ease with which they can enhance their photos and create stunning images. The AI-driven features have made photo editing more accessible, even for those with little to no experience. The introduction of Apple Intelligence marks the beginning of a new era for Apple devices. As AI technology continues to evolve, the potential for future enhancements is immense. Apple has laid a strong foundation with iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia, and the possibilities for growth are endless. One of the most exciting prospects is the continued improvement of Siri. As AI technology advances, Siri will become even smarter and more capable. This could lead to even more natural interactions and a deeper understanding of user needs, further enhancing the virtual assistant's utility. Personalized recommendations are also likely to evolve. With more data and improved algorithms, Apple Intelligence will be able to provide even more accurate and relevant suggestions. This will make devices even more personalized and enhance the overall user experience. Apple's commitment to privacy will remain a key focus. Future enhancements will likely continue to prioritize on-device processing, ensuring that user data remains secure. This approach will set a new standard for privacy in AI-driven technologies and provide users with peace of mind.